What's going on, guys? This is Drew Drives at Grubs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today I'm going for a drive in this 2004 Acura MDX Touring with navigation. This vehicle has a 3.5 liter V6 with 265 horsepower and 253 pound-feet of torque, made it to a 5-speed automatic transmission. So this is the original MDX. It's the OG first generation MDX, and I really like this car. A lot of people are like, why do you like this car so much? Because it looks so old and everything. But I'm like, I like it because this was one of the first 3-row luxury SUVs. So it was a very popular vehicle when it came out back in 2000. I think it came out in 2001. 2006 was when they made the second generation MDX. So yeah, this is like the 3rd or 4th model year of this car. But yeah, so nice car. The MDX has always had a 3.5 liter V6. This one has a Bose sound system and the navigation, and you also have like the screen right here. I find it interesting how the AC controls are on the screen. Not a lot of cars in 2004 had that. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a backup camera. I forgot what this interior color is called. It's like a brown, it's darker than beige. The interior, I had a 2008 Acura TL Type S. That was my first car. The gear shifter reminds me of that, and the screen does as well. And so yeah, and this exterior is finished in sandstone metallic. We'll look at that in a second. You also have a sunroof. Let's look at this car. This one only has 117,000 miles on it, which is very low for a 2004 vehicle, especially a 3-row SUV. So you have an HID bulb, halogen daytime running lights. I'm assuming that's what that is. Oh no, halogen high beam. It doesn't have DRLs. And orange turn signals. Here are the rear seats. AC controls back there, which is nice. This one's in pretty good condition for being 21 years old. I was 3 years old when this car came out, so that's to put it in perspective. You also have dual outlet exhausts. I think in 2004, that was the first year this came with dual outlet exhausts. The 2003 model didn't have that. And I love the Acura MDX, as you guys know. I love all the MDXs. Here's the trunk. Pretty good space. And it's 3 rows, so you can put the row up and you have your seat belts to latch them in. You also have roof racks on this one. It definitely does show its age. It definitely does look like a 20-year-old car, like the design wise, but it still looks good to me. And please excuse my weird voice and coughing right now. Got some allergies, but I got to get those videos out. And I love the heavy hydraulic steering in the 1st generation and 2nd generation MDX. And I believe Acura went to the electric power steering in the 3rd generation MDX. Excuse me. So yeah, it's okay acceleration for a 3-row SUV, nothing crazy, but that VTEC always sounds good. I love the 3.5 liter V6 in Acuras and Hondas. I always have. It sounds so good. Seats are pretty comfortable. As I said, this one's in really good shape for how old it is. It considering the fact that it's like a family SUV. You'd expect it to have like way more than 200,000 miles. It only has 117,000. Drives very smooth. It feels great. And back then, this was the only SUV that Acura had. And 2004 was also the year the third generation Acura TL came out, which was one of the most successful luxury sedans ever made. It was the best-selling luxury sedan from 2004 to 2008, alongside the Infiniti G35, G37. And the 3G TL was gorgeous. As you guys know, I love the 3rd Gen TL because I had a TL Type S. I love that car. So this was a great period for Acura, a great time. Acura was selling a lot of cars, was doing a great job, and you know, they had some great vehicles. I'd say that was like the golden age for Acura, the 2000s, with the TL and everything, and also with the MDX. And these are very reliable. One of my friends' family, they bought theirs new back in 2005, and they still have it. And it has like 230,000 miles on it. It's a great car. Those are the high beams and the headlights being flashed. But overall, nice 2004 MDX right here. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own new certified pre-owned or pre-owned Acura MDX from many model years.